Hello, Matt Ewens, and this is a video about how to put your book onto Kindle. So, if you go to kdp.amazon.com and then select Add New Title, it'll take you to this screen. Just close that box. You'll have a box here that will talk about KDP Select. So, just read through that and decide whether you want to enter into that program or not, and enter the details of your book. You'll see what's this at each different section. These are quite useful pop-ups to tell you more information about any section that you're not sure about. So take some time to read through them. Add your contributors. Don't bother with the ISBN. It's not the same as your Amazon paperback. That'll be explained here. So take some time to read that. Verify your publishing rights. Add a category for your book and keywords. Upload a cover. Browse for an image. And then upload your book file. Easy. Now, at this point, I should tell you that you have to upload a .mobi file. So that's suitable for a Kindle format for a mobile device. If you've got InDesign, which is a publishing program, you can go to this page, which is, well, the address is here, which is quite awkward because that's a bit of a strange looking address. But basically, if you type into Google Amazon KDP InDesign plugin, that should find this particular page. Now just scroll down until you find the Kindle plugin for Adobe InDesign. Download that, and then that'll install the Kindle plugin to InDesign. Just go to File and then Export for Kindle, and that'll export to the mobile Kindle device format. It's worth remembering, if you've got images, try to make sure that those are embedded within the text. So if you're placing an image, try not to go to place and then create the image and then make some space and do it like that, because you're going to come across some problems. So that's just a quick tip. I'm not an InDesign expert, by the way. If you don't have InDesign, it can be quite tricky. There are various programs that you can use to convert the format. Say if you've got Microsoft Publisher or Word or something like that, you can create the file or convert those files into HTML or as an image file. And I found this program called Mobi Pocket Creator. You can find that if you search on Google. I downloaded the program and that pops up here. If you start new, I'll just put test for now and create, then add a file. So I've got a HTML version of my book. If you open that, that'll add it in there, and then click build. If you build it, it'll come up with some warnings. I'm not sure how good this is, and I haven't tried an image file to convert the format. But once you have the .mobi file, browse for it and upload it. There are some content guidelines here as well and help with formatting links. So this talks about, converting images, Microsoft Word. What I found really useful was this preview book option. So you can select the type of device you want to preview the book in, and it will bring up that device. Now it's quite important actually to test it in different versions, because it will appear differently. Personally, I found that the Kindle version was perhaps the best formatted version, if you like. So you can see, you can scroll through what it looks like on those different devices, and when you're happy, close that up and then save and continue, and then that's it. You've got rights and pricing. If you select that next, that will enable you to select worldwide rights or individual territories, and you select whether you want 35% royalty or 70% royalty. And if you put in the US price of your book, it's got to be between $2.99 and $9.99. If you check these boxes here, it'll automatically set the price the same based on the US price. Allow lending, and then click there to save and publish. Initiating publishing, and it can take 12 hours to publish. So there you go. Now that's awaiting publishing now, and once it's published, it will, and you'll be able to go back and edit any options as required. Okay, thanks a lot.